Hi everyone, I just received my box of this ergonomic work chair and I'm really excited to put it together, test it out. It has really great features like lumbar support, a rocking function, and I want to see how easy it is to put together and let you guys know all about how this office chair works. So let's get started. Okay, so it took about 5 minutes to take everything out of the box. Everything was super well wrapped and packaged nicely. I just used a pair of simple scissors to cut through the tape and to unwrap everything, but it was all in great condition. And now I'm ready to get started putting everything together. So you can kind of see how the chair will go together. These look like the legs that are gonna go on. Here's all the tools you need. There is a manual as well, and it's in a few different languages for you. There's the wheels of the chair. This part right here is going to be the base. That's going to be the adjuster to make the chair higher and lower. And here's the headrest, the arms, and the back part of the chair and the seat. So let's go ahead and keep going with the directions and get this thing put together. So I just wanted to pause the construction for a minute just to show you this step where I attached the base cushion to the back support. And in the directions, I recommended putting the cushion on this box so that it was easier to connect these two pieces, and that worked really, really well. So make sure you just prop it up right on the box that the chair came in, and then you can easily attach the back support to the cushion. So we are almost done here. It's been about 15 minutes of putting the chair together, so let's finish it up. Okay, so all in all, it took about 20-25 minutes to put this chair together, and I was just taking my time and no rush at all. I didn't need any other tools other than what was included in the kit. They did have some spare screws as well, so you will end up with just a few extra screws, but it was pretty simple. Everything snapped together really easily. The directions were easy to follow, and the chair looks great. So as you can see, it just does have some nice features. It has this adjustable headrest so that you can pull it out or you can push it back in depending on how you would like it. It does have hands, the armrests that go up and down as well, so you can just press this single button right here, raise them up or push them down. And it does have these springs right here, which is great for lumbar support. So when you're sitting, you can push these back, and depending on where you sit on the chair, these are gonna really support your lower back. As you can see, when I sit down, it's right there on my back. So this is really gonna help you throughout the day, help you feel really good. And also it does recline, so you can move back and forth, you can see. So depending on if you wanna work sitting straight up, or if you wanna recline for gaming mode or anything else, you can. So it also has this lever to just pull up, and the chair will go up and down. And then it has a footrest here as well. So this option does have the footrest. You don't need to get this one, but this just pops right out and you can put up your feet and just recline. You can use that for work if you are feeling tired. You can put your feet up, and it's really nice because it just kind of flips down and then just tucks right back under the chair, and you can go back to working. It swivels really well. It has these wheels so you can kind of glide around, and it seems to be a really great chair. So I would definitely recommend it. Super easy to put together, great for working, great for your office, great for home or gaming use. and it only took about 20 minutes to assemble the entire thing. So I would definitely recommend it, and I hope you guys found this helpful, and you go ahead and give this chair a try. Thanks.